Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Redfin to monitor price drops for potential rental flips, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Redfin website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the specific location where you wish to monitor price drops. After entering the location, hit the enter key or click the search icon. This action will bring up a list of properties in the area you specified. From here, use the filters to narrow down your search to rental properties. You can find the filters option usually located on the left-hand side of the results page. Select the For Rent filter to focus solely on rental listings. Next, look for the Price Drops filter within the options. Check this box to ensure that only properties with recent price reductions appear in your search results. Once your filters are set, review the properties that meet your criteria. Select a property that interests you to view its detailed listing page. On the listing page, you'll find options to set alerts for any changes to the property. Look for the Save Search feature, usually found near the top of the page. Click on Save Search to create a customized alert for this location and its associated filters. Provide a name for your search that reflects the area or type of property you're monitoring. Next, adjust the notification settings as needed to suit your preferences. You can choose to receive alerts via email or mobile notifications. Once you've set everything up, confirm and save your search settings. Now, Redfin will monitor price drops for the rental properties you're interested in. You'll receive notifications whenever there are significant updates to these listings. Make sure to check your email or mobile notifications regularly to stay updated. This setup will help you identify potential rental flips quickly and efficiently. With Redfin's monitoring features, you can make informed decisions about your rental investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.